Hi, I'm Adam. How to get API keys and tokens for Trello. Head over to the Google search engine and type Trello API keys. Click on the top search result. In the Managing Your API Key section, you will see a blue color link. You have to click on it and it will open in a new tab. Select on I acknowledge and click on Continue. Click on New. You have to give any name to New Power Up or Integration section. Select your desired workspace from the drop-down menu. In the email section, you have to type in your own email. In the author section, you have to mention your name. In the support contact option, you can again paste your same email address and click on Create. Click on Generate a new API key. In this pop-up, you have to select again Generate API key. And here you will get your API key and your secret key. You have to make sure don't show this to anyone and keep it in a secure place. To generate your token, you have to click on the token, which is in a blue link. A new tab will open. You have to scroll down a bit and click on Allow. And here you can see your Trello account token. You can copy the token and also save it in a secure and safe place. So that's how you can get your API keys and tokens for Trello. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.